How do you know?
Says, what island?
That says for Greta.
See, it says a G.
Stand over the camera for you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you get it all the rest of the way over?
I have a big button. The button for dinner.
The button's right there.
Here, Daddy, why don't you pull Alice over more?
Okay.
It's walk. It's walk.
I'll show you. It's just right here, see? The Velcro.
The camera. The camera for me. Take a button. My camera.
Do you like it?
It's a bear. It's got a bear. Maybe camera has to do that.
Yeah.
I had more buttons.
We'll give this one to Alice. That one's for Alice.
There you go. I'm the button surprise.
Yeah? Maybe Alice can help. Where? Let's see if Alice can help. Here, Alice, can you grab hold of that? Can you grab hold?
Oh, look. That's this rose.
Let me see. Does it say Alice or does it say Greta on it?
Greta.
Does it say Alice or Greta?
Greta.
It does say Greta.
My present looks very good.
It looks very good.
My present.
Yeah.
My present on my camera looks very good. And what is it?
What is it? I don't know.
It sounds like tree.
Sounds like trains?
Mommy,
Yeah,
okay.
you may help with that one.
Mommy, okay.
Be right there in a second.
It's too hard. This like a more
Can
button.
you take a picture of me?
No, I have more buttons. Wait, wait. A present.
A present?
Look.
It's food. It goes in with your kitchen.
It's a fondue set.
It's a fondue set. Do you want to open it all the way up?
Mommy,
Okay.
too hard.
Hey,
Too
Alice.
hard?
Oh, look. Make one.
Yeah.
A lot of food? Open them? Okay.
What is it?
A cake.
Ooh, that's
It
the
is.
fire.
It goes in there. It's a little fire. Yeah, and then.
That's probably the plate for.
Yeah, this is the plate for me. And look at the food.
Then you gotta pick the food up with the sticks. Because they'll be very, very
See?
hot. Then you put it on your plate.
And you put the food on the plate. This is good?
Yeah, we get the new one.
Yeah.
Let's see, Greta, can you help me find one that says Alice?
There.
Which one?
Maybe it's right.
It has an A for Alice.
I can find it. Sorry.
Here you go, Alice.
What do you think it is?
I'm going to open.
You're gonna open it for Alice?
Yeah. I'm going to help open. Maybe it's a book. A book for Alice.
Yay.
Yay. Oh, something for me too.
Okay, find one that says G for Greta on it.
Hey, Jane Greta.
That's right.
What's in it?
What's in it? I don't know. Open it up.
What do you want?
Who's that?
Woolly worm.
That's right, Lily Worm.
Would you like to pick a new one?
Yeah.
Okay, find another one that says Greta. Let me see. Does it have a G on the sticker? Look on the front.
Where?
See, there's a little white sticker. And Daddy wrote a name. What's it say?
Oh. Greta.
That's right.
Why open?
Hey, Melissa.
What?
Who wrote her name?
Daddy.
Santa.
Oh, yeah. Santa. Sorry.
Oh, look, a book for us.
What is it? What kind of book?
Emma's book.
Oh, what book?
A Disney book.
Yeah, dancing book.
It's for coloring, yeah? What else is in there?
Marker.
Oh man, you really needed new markers.
Look, 2 markers.
How many?
Purple, red, green, yellow, green, purple, blue, red, pink, brown, black.
Very good.
8 colors. They know these colors. I'm going to show this is colors for Alice.
Okay, so look and see on the sticker, one that Santa wrote Alice, which starts with an A, Alice.
Oh, here.
That's right.
Alice. Oh,
Did Alice get a puzzle?
yeah.
Turn it over, let's see. Ooh, pretty birds, Alice. That's for you.
I can open.
We'll open it later for her. Okay, do you want to find another one?
Oh, it's Greta too.
That's right, it's Greta.
For Greta, for my Christmas tree, I want a present.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look. Stockings have ones.
Stockings have presents too? Yeah.
And look, a stocking has present for us.
Yeah, that one's your stocking and it has presents for you. Ooh, Greta, what's that?
Wow, this one's from us.
Yeah.
For me.
What's on it?
A butterfly.
Nope.
Hmm?
Ballet shoes.
I like you.
It's a nice, pretty dress.
Oh, look, Greta too.
It says Alice and Greta, doesn't it? So that's for the both of you to share.
Yeah.
You can open it.
Sure. Yes, sure.
That's right. Alice, where are you going?
And you want to take me for us?
Alice is trying to move.
Yeah. Oh, look, a spoon.
It's a book, yeah.
Yes, share.
Yes, it's for you and Alice.
What did you get, Greta? A book?
Yeah.
What kind of book?
What is it in there?
Oh, it's in here? Oh, I'm just gonna put the trash in here, that's all. Nothing good.
Okay. Which weather too? Which weather?
Do you see what the sticker says?
Yeah.
What does it say?
That.
Yeah. Does it say a G on it for Greta?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe that was for Alice.
Let's look. What's that say? Right there.
Weather.
That's right.
Oh, look. Look.
What
What
is
is
it?
that, Greta?
A soup.
A soup?
I think it's a puzzle.
Is it? Yeah. It's a puzzle, but it's got pieces inside. Do you want to look for pieces?
My suitcase.
You know it. It's heavy. Where are you gonna put it? Over there?
Yeah. Why bring it outside?
So you can take it outside?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job.
I got my present for me.
You got more presents for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which my present for me? Can't see it.
Should we do another Alice one?
Yeah.
Which one says A for Alice on it?
A.
Very good.
I said A.
What is it? I see.
Whoa! Wow! That was for
Yeah,
the Friday.
you already saw this one. I'm just opening it up.
That one's for Alice, Greta.
Me see it.
She needs to share. Are you going to share your toys with Alice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on. Open.
You want to open? Best way. Puzzle game?
Oh, Beagle, I got one. A puzzle game for you.
What is that? Is it a bird?
Yes. Flap, flap. Flap. Flap, flap, flap. And the neighbors go flap, flap. The neighbors go flap, flap, flap. The neighbors go flap, flap, flap. Let's put all together. Dude. And open this too.
Open this too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me open.
Okay, you open. Cat's dancing? You like that, Alice? Yeah? This one, who's that one for?
Good.
Greta, that's right.
And now open the box.
Now open it up. She's dancing for you? Yeah, that's your box. Alice has her, you both got a box.
Let's see. Look at the sticker. What does it say? Okay. Yeah. I think you can make a tower with that.
Okay. I'm making the bigger tower. Daddy, look, I'm making the bigger tower. You see, tower.
Wow.
It's a big tower.
Is it as tall as you? Can you stand next to it? I want to see how tall it is. Wow.
That tower was a house.
Alice, do you want to see how tall it is?
Yeah, let's stand Alice next to it.
Let's see how tall Alice is next to it.
It's bigger than Alice.
Goodbye.
Careful, Alice.
You don't want her to knock it over?
Yeah.
Is that your toy, Alice? You're too little to play with it yet, huh?
Oh,
For Alice, let's see if she can grab it.
no, open mine.
You want to open it for Alice? You want to see if we can let Alice open it?
No, me.
She's excited.
It's okay. Next year, Alice will open her own presents.
Yeah.
When she's bigger, right?
Yeah, Alice needs to get bigger, bigger.
Look for Alice.
Yeah, what is it?
A star.
Stars?
Here, show it over here. Wow. Pretty.
Yeah, can you hand it to me? Thank you.
Which says right weather.
Do you like it, Alice?
Which one says Greta? Let's see. Look on the letter stickers. What does that one say?
Do you want to eat it? I bet you do.
I think that one. Do you see the sticker?
Yeah.
Where? Where's the letters? What is it?
Fire.
That's
That's
right.
right.
You're good at reading the names, Greta.
Here, Alice. Grab it. Can you grab it?
That one's for us too.
That's
Okay.
right. Pull, pull,
That
pull.
one's for weather too.
That's right.
Grab it. You got it.
Ooh,
You got it.
what do you think it is?
And
Oh, so close, Alice. So close. One more time. Good grab. Good grab.
It's a kit that we can make a book. Do you want to make a book with Mommy?
Pull it out, Alice. Yeah, it's a little book for Alice.
Ooh, Alice might like to play with that right now.
Yeah.
Or maybe she likes the paper.
open that.
Help you open it?
Open that.
Which one? Your stocking? Why don't we open the rest of the presents that are on the floor still? Do you see any more that say Greta? Or are you waiting for that? Do you want to open another one? It says Greta and Alice. That's one. It's for the two of you.
Well, Drew, kiddo.
Oh, Alice.
I want to open it.
Okay.
Yeah. You can play with this?
Those are markers for your book.
This is for my book.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy,
Here, put the lid back. We'll make the book later, but you can look at all the pieces now if you want.
a book
It's a book
for us.
for you and Alice.
Yeah.
What's the book? What do you see on the book? It's about a fish. And what's the fish wearing? Yes, it's called This Is Not My Hat.
Ooh, Greta. Also, look at this sparkly paper.
Ooh. That one's for us too.
That
This one
is
is
for
for
Alice. Why don't you hand that to Daddy?
That one's for Greta.
Here, Alice, grab hold.
That one's for Greta.
Let me see. That says Craig. That's for Daddy.
That one's for Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it owl or for us?
It's for Alice though, right?
I got a baby owl for you.
Yeah. A baby owl for baby Alice.
And this is red. His glitter. Glitter.
Fancy too.
Fancy.
Look, it's a hat. A doctor kit.
A doctor kit?
Yeah.
Oh wow, you really wanted a doctor kit, didn't you?
Yeah, really need it, doctor kit.
That's right.
Open the doctor kit. Yeah.
Give it to mommy, I'll get it.
I want it.
Who? Who?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey Greta.
Huh?
Did you see the bib that's on Alice's chair?
Okay.
Did you go get it for me? Thank you. Oh, let's see.
I really need a doctor.
Dead? Oh boy.
I know.
Alright. You want help?
Yeah. I need a doctor kit for me.
Can you get this?
Daddy, for us?
What's up, Alice?
I open this for you.
You gonna open it for me?
A doctor kit.
Here you go.
A kit for us. A doctor kit. Where's the doctor kit go? A doctor kit.
Oh, look, you do this. No?
See? My doctor kit. Oh, look.
What's that for?
Spit on hand.
Mm.
And look. See? It's gonna move before you get out.
Uh-huh, it's for a shot.
So, and our mouth. And look.
More cream.
Clean on your hand.
Mhm.
Oh, look.
Medicine.
Oh, look. Empty. That was for the doctor. Oh, look.
That's you check the knees.
Yeah. Then all those presents. Hey, it's got chocolate.
Yeah, I got chocolates. These are Daddy's chocolates.
Huh? It's for 18. You like one?
I do like it.
Hey, that's our needs. What I needed. That's I'm the doctor.
Now listen to the heart.
Hmm?
Here, put it on your ears and then check Alice's heartbeat. See if you hear it go boom, boom, boom.
No, I have to do that video.
Okay, we'll do it later.
You put them back in the bag first then?
Bring it. Bring it.
Oh, there's your doctor bag. Get that.
This is nice, doctor.
Bring that.
Mm-hmm.
For the bring that. For the doctor. My doctor kit.
Good check. Let's open up this one, Alice.
I open it.
You want to open it for Alice? Okay.
That present looks very good.
The present looks very good.
Oh, look, a book. For Alice.
It's a book for Alice?
Yes. Which letter?
Alice in Wonderland. For Alice.
Oh, look, a big person.
I think
big
that says
present?
Melissa.
What
Who's
does it say on
Melissa?
it?
There you go.
Thank you.
She likes it.
That's for
Oh,
you.
luxurious.
That's your dancing shirt. That's your dancing shirt. That's your dancing shirt.
It's for my around the house comfy
Lounging.
lounging room.
Hey, Miss Gretel. Hey, Miss, my name's Gretel.
I don't know.
Look on the stickers.
Oh, put a digging thing.
A digging thing?
That's not a digging thing. That's a sled.
It's a sled like you used in the forest. Do you remember using that in the forest?
Yeah.
How did you use it? That's right.
Well, that, I do that.
And then you go down the hill?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do that again. That's the next time it snows.
If we get more snow.
Yeah, we need more snow. Not today though.
Look at that. It's bright out.
Light out.
It's gonna come up in the sky.
Yep. Can you hand me some of the paper? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Pants for Alice? It's a shirt for Alice.
It's a dress for Alice.
A dress for
Both
Alice.
on.
Well, oh, I can't hold it up to Alice. I have a fist in her mouth.
What is it? It's for you both? Mm-hmm.
I don't want to put it up in your sopping way. Oh, look at that. Another book? What do you see on the book? What's on the front of the book? An ocean?
It's a lake and a big mountain.
And what's this?
A deer,
A moose.
a moose,
And who's that?
a boy.
A boy, that's right. It's called This Moose Belongs to Me.
Greta, you missed one big present.
You see this big present?
Who is that for?
What does it say? It says Greta? The big present is for Greta? What's in it? What's in it? I don't know.
I want my sisters.
Do you know where they are?
I'm gonna give my sisters.
Okay.
Here, I'll just use these.
Thank you. Open this side.
Just rip the paper. The string's not in the way anymore.
Alice wants to be really good.
Hi, Alice.
It's okay.
Look, a playtime one.
A busy town one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And here's a planet. And such a message.
Sally and Hucklecat?
A woman.
Lowly?
You can fix it.
Mr. Fix-It.
And hair.
Okay.
And that.
Yeah.
Oh, what room?
Lowly word?
Look in this way.
Yeah. Let's keep opening it up.
A booker.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look, a big present.
A big present.
Hurry.
Happy present?
It's got strings on my pajama pants.
You got strings on your pajama pants?
Yeah.
Let me see the other one. Let me cut the other piece of tape. Alright, Greta, keep opening. Takes a long time to open a big present, huh? Big busy town?
Yeah. Maybe that's it. Look. Sausage moves with this. Look.
Yeah.
Let me see. We'll have to take that all off. What else is in the box? Get everything out.
Let's get everything out of the box and we'll see what's here.
Mommy, it's like
You can't reach it? Tilt the box over. Alright.
Okay, say 1, 2, 3, go! That's a good try.
Yeah. I tried it.
Are you playing drums on Alice's toys?
Yeah.
Are you going to be very careful with her toys, please?
Please.
Did you ask her if you could use them?
Sorry, I'm doing them.
That's okay. I bet she won't mind.
I forget bigger players.
That's
Like
right.
drums.
Uh-huh. Which one's the biggest?
That.
Which one's the smallest?